Hi everyone, welcome back to the series. So today what we'll be doing essentially is implementing all of the chess openings, if not all of the major chess openings and their sublines into our system, which simply means that we're making our app understand or making our app revise all of the chess openings so that it can, actually teach the user who comes on the website or the app. So for that, we actually need to search for lines which are commonly used so that, user can actually learn the relevant lines. Because if you start to learn chess openings, there are like millions of ways you can open or play a line. But there are some major openings, main openings, or commonly used openings as the human brains, recalls and plays on the board while in a tournament or a match. So that is something we'll be looking forward to. And yes, I mean, hopefully we'll complete it one day. And it's working great, honestly. I've done some UI UX design inputs and like changes back end, and it really looks good, looks functional. And for Sicilian, I've inputted some openings already. So let's go onto the page and let's see. Hey, so welcome to the app. Let me just show you all of the improvements I made and what all in the app is actually working and is actually useful at this point in time. We're in the third video, right? It's been just 5 hours we've worked on this project and it's working great. So see, the first part is accelerated dragon. All of these openings actually work and are actually theoretically aligned to what they actually, mean. Why am I using actually so much? Fuck. Yes, so see, these openings are very well working, and it shows a green box when we play the right move and red when we don't. And all of the opening lines are what original theory suggests, and you can actually learn and see this move bar is also working quite well. This there is a move bar present in the down bottom as well, which is also working quite well. You can press it and go to the like move which you want to, and you can also study moves from here if you're a theory player. And yes, previous move, next move, and it's very simple looking. It's very clean. It's very it's looking great. So today what we'll be doing is, as I've told you, adding more Sicilian lines opening and like completing Sicilian defense to the complete in our opening set, and we'll be you know inputting approximately 30 to 32 lines of Sicilian right now in front of you. So we'll deal with all the problems which comes, all the things which becomes resistance for us, but we'll eventually fight out and build the app for sure. Let me tell you the workflow which I was working for these three openings which I've already inputted. So first what I did was, there's this channel on YouTube, right? Hanging Pawns. Beautiful creator. I mean, not beautiful, but yes. I hope no copyright comes in. Anyways, let me just show you what I'm trying to do. So this is playlist of Sicilian defense. So this it covers mostly all of the opening theories, all of the opening lines and sublines as well. So what I do is ask GPT and take input from here, paste it in Notebook LM, and ask it to extract out all of the major opening lines that have been discussed in the video, right? I cannot watch the full video, it's 40-45 minutes every video. So I've inputted accelerated dragon this video, second hyper accelerated 19th video. So let's complete dragon first. So we'll be doing Sicilian dragon, this Yugoslav attack, and Lebanese and Finiashoto, whatever the shit is. So what I have to do is just create a new notebook where I can add sources. So this becomes this notebook study, right? From here it can study. Now let me ask GPT to prompt notebook LM up to extract out all of the details around the main and sublines from the opening, which is dragon opening, right? Sicilian defense. So let me just prompt it out. So we've got the prompt. Now let's paste it into notebook LM. I'll just do this. Since in chess accuracy is very important, we need to verify these openings, which the content creator has mentioned, which is hanging pawns. And I'll check it by ChatGPT once and then Gemini twice, so that it actually becomes usable.
उसके टाटा में इंडी का सुबह सुबह मैं दोगली रे अपनी स्मेचो कैसे भी होगी या मैं एक दिन स्टूडियो पहुंचा हूं, अंदर जाकर दाखिली होगी या दिन चढ़ गया ढिंचक होगी या पुराने साकड़ तोड़ के बाद में फक जा मेरे को आसानी
So now we have the lines for the Yugoslav version. Let's ask Cursor to input it in our app.
मेरे को आसानी से दिखी जाता हाँ कैच फ्लाइट आउट अंदा दा 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 धंजी याद कर से आए वो स्कूटी और अब हम दोनों टूर पे घूम रहे पूरा देश आज जब और ये सब आसान नहीं है स्कूटी फेमस करके बेची
So this is how the workflow will look like. First, we'll extract out the opening lines from Notebook LM, then put it into ChatGPT, then ask Gemini to verify it, then ask GPT to prompt Cursor to input all of these in our app. Simple as it gets. Hey, so I did enter the Yugoslav attack openings from the Notebook LM to my GPT and then to Cursor, and it has been added. Mainline Chinese, H4 early, all of them are working. So we are prompting this to extract out classical variation of Sicilian dragon out of this. Let's do it.
जिंदगी जुआ मुझसे चिप्स मांग रही है पहना स्टूडियो पहना डिजाइनर पर भेदभाव नहीं है सजे ऑडी कपे मर्क मारे बनने का चाहिए फैंस पूरे बैरिकेड पे बेशुमार चाहिए राती गेम पुकारे तभी शो पे देर लग रही है लोग बोले तुझ में टैलेंट जाके बंबई काट टिकट
Prompt for the classical variation.
346 minutes later.
Let me just reload it once again. So we've got three lines in classical diagram. That is main line, Queen D2 system, and F4 expansion. I hope they're all working right. I mean, they surely are.
खींचे मोटा पैसा और अब चाहिए मुझको 8 फिगर्स भूख समझ साइफर में था एक माइक और 8 पिटर्स अब लेबल प्रोजेक्ट
Sure. Every one of them is different. And yes, classical dragon is also complete. Now let's move on to Fianchetto. So Fianchetto is also there. I mean, it's so smoothly working. I did not expect it to be this smooth. I mean, see, these are repetitive processes. We're going to again and again GPT asking for a prompt, pasting it in Notebook LM, then pasting to GPT, then to Gemini, then to Cursor. So this is repetitive task. I guess we can also use agents to do repetitive tasks. We'll discuss that or maybe explore that in the upcoming videos. I know them a bit, but yes, I might also discover them and explore them, and we'll do it together so that you also learn with me. 11 fish we've also got. See, we'll just paste it in GPT right now.
3 hours later.
So 11 fish is also done. The whole of the dragon is done, right? Fianchetto, classical, 11 fish, Yugoslav accelerated, and hyper accelerated are the main dragon openings, and the sublines, which are the main I've um included in it. So yes, right now, 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 3 4, that is 10 10 and 10 and 8 is 18 lines we've already done, and it's just 4 out of 19 videos done. So I mean, you can see the depth we're going into. I hope this pays off. I mean, I don't want it to pay off, I just want it to complete at a point, and it will, I guess. Whew, sheesh. um yeah, let's move on. He's asking me to take a break.
जो ची 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 करते निकू पोज इधर के सबके चेक भर के रखे तू रुक रुक मत अपन निकाल दे कुछ उकेल अब निकाल दे कुछ उकेल तू रुक रुक मत अपन निकाल दे कुछ उकेल.
So Alpine is done. We've got 213 moves. Damn, that's crazy. So yes, Alpine is done now. Let's move on.
अब निकाल दे कुछ उकेल अब निकाल दे कुछ उकेल उसके होंडा में सिटी घूमे रात को
12 o'clock midnight.
I'm very exhausted by this since it's quite repetitive and I have to do a lot of work. I don't know how to complete it and my motivation is quite anyways. approximately 3-4 hours since I'm doing this repetitive work, and now it's actually sucking. I don't know how would I even complete the app since it's taking a lot of time. But sure, we'll be looking into the matter. I guess we can use the agents. I'll surely be doing a live stream or maybe recording a video around implementing this into by agents. But yes, let's do it for now. Model quota have been reached for 3 accounts right now, so this is the last one that I'm using. Hopefully this works. Oh, acha ye to. So it has got 38 lines in total. And right now, let me just show you our collection of lines. Plus 4, 23, plus 4. 27 openings or 27 lines we've got. So we're actually doing better than chess reps in terms of lines, main lines. But yes, we do have to improve our UI and UX a bit. Comparable to them, it's not that great, honestly, but yes. Everything is room for improvement, and so does his website, and we'll surely improve it. Until then, let's just move on to our repetitive work. It's becoming a headache. Now I understand why office people just leave their jobs who really want to. Alright.
Later.
So I mean that was all of the video. I don't want to end the video right now because I really want to complete it, but I'm not left with no choice. A lot of time has been taken for these, which is just a part of what I have to create. So I guess in the end we have to use agents. So yes, I mean the next video hopefully would be about agentic AI. Back camera, I would add some more openings and research more into agentic AI and how we can actually implement it in doing this repetitive work. Yes, thank you for watching. Thank you for giving me your time and thank you for the comment. Right, in the previous videos there were 2 comments. Love them. Thank you for the suggestions and yes, it's wonderful when you guys comment and actually watch and it's honestly feels great and gives me a motivation to actually make videos. Never mind, I won't stop making videos until I feel like so. So yes, I mean, thank you. Bye.